Alright, this is the problem. Connecting the Betaflight. Alright, we're connected to Betaflight. We're going to go to motor run test. Click my master on. I'll plug a little 2S battery in. 2S, 500 milliamp 2S. And this is the problem I get. Motor 4 spins fine. Motor 3 spins fine. Motor 2 spins fine. Get to motor 1. See that? And then it just stops. It desyncs my ESC because it won't spin. That's all it does. Bounces around. It's soldered good. If I unhook this, do this while you can see me. Put a brand new motor, another one, a bigger one. So if it was ESC, this would definitely cause it to do it. Plug this battery. Plug it back in. Go back to motor 1. And that motor spins fine. So it's not the ESC. Stopped it. Gonna spin it again. Motor spins fine. It's the motor. Don't matter what I do. I've tried resoldering it. I never ran screws in too long. It's used the same screws that are on the other 3 motors with the shields. So I know they didn't go into the winding on it. So I know that didn't happen because I measured them before I do. I've built several, as you can see. I build quads and planes for a living. So I know what I'm doing. I mean, I got plenty of gear around here to show you that I'm not my first rodeo. This is the one that's actually going. So that's my problem. That's why I said the motor's bad. And like I said, it's brand new. I just put them on the other day. I've been trying to get this thing in the air ever since I got it. And the motors was the last thing I got. And now I still can't fly it because that motor's no good.